Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today, you will need 3 crayons. Please gather your materials now. Our first word is bat. B-A-T, bat. With your first color crayon, please write bat. B-A-T, bat. With your second crayon, please trace bat. B-A-T, bat. With your third crayon, please trace bat. B-A-T, bat. Our next word is dig. D-I-G, dig. With your first crayon, please write dig. D-I-G, dig. With your second crayon, please write dig. D-I-G. And with your third crayon, please write dig. D-I-G, dig. Our next word is fun. F-U-N, fun. Our first word is fun. With your first crayon. F-U-N, fun. With your second crayon, write fun. F-U-N, fun. Third crayon. F-U-N, fun. Our next word is get. G-E-T, get. With your first crayon, please write get. G-E-T, get. With your next crayon, please write get. G-E-T, get. And with your last crayon, please write get. G-E-T, get. Our next word is hop. H-O-P, hop. With your first crayon, please write hop. H-O-P, hop. With your second crayon, please write hop. H-O-P. And your third crayon, please write hop. H-O-P, hop. Our next word is vet. V-E-T, vet. With your first crayon, please write vet. V-E-T, vet. With your second crayon, please write vet. V-E-T, vet. And your third crayon, please write vet. V-E-T, vet. Our next word is top. T-O-P, top. With your first crayon, please write top. T-O-P, top. With your second crayon, please write top. T-O-P, top. And with your third crayon, please write top. T, aw, p, top. Our next word is can. K, a, n, can. With your first crayon, please write can. K, a, n, can. With your second crayon, please write can. K, a, n, can. And your third crayon, please write can. K, a, n, can. Our next word is big. B, I, g, big. With your first crayon, please write big. B, I, g, big. Second crayon, please write big. B, I, g. Third crayon, write big. B, I, g, big. Our last word is run. N, run. First word, first crayon, please write run. N, run. With your second crayon, trace run. N, run. And your third crayon, please trace run. N, run. Way to go. Flip your paper over. All right, my friends, we are going to match a word. Our first word, yum. I see a kid about to eat ice cream. Yum. And he's licking his chops. Yum. Our next word is cut. Please find a picture that shows cut. Cut. Then we have rub. Can you find a picture that shows rub? The kitty likes it when we rub her belly. Rub. Then we have some. When you add two numbers together, the answer is called the sum. Sum. Our next word, tug. I see the friends playing tug-o-war. Tug. Now we have the word hut. A hut is like a small house. Hut. Hut. Next word, fun. Look at the kids, they're having balloons. Looks like a party, looks like so much fun. Fun. Then we have the word pup. Pup is a short word for puppy. Pup. Last word, sub. 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 Way to go, boys and girls. You did great.